Have you ever noticed that sometimes the thing you say you want the most is the exact thing you keep avoiding? Like starting the YouTube channel, applying for that opportunity, going to the gym, studying consistently, or even learning a skill. You tell yourself you want it, you think about it every day, you even watch videos about it. But when it's finally time to sit down and actually do the thing, you suddenly feel tired, or you decide to start later. Somehow, scrolling TikTok for 2 hours feels easier. And for the longest time, I used to think this was laziness, but I came across an idea from this book, and it completely changed how I see procrastination. The idea is this: one of the reasons you're not moving forward is because your current behavior is protecting you from something. Now, I know this sounds off, but look at it. Procrastination is actually some sort of protection. Think about it. If you never start the YouTube channel, you never have to face the possibility that nobody watches. If you keep planning your business, you never have to deal with losses.
So now procrastination doesn't necessarily look like laziness, and it's looking more like fear wearing a hoodie. That's why a lot of us spend years consuming content instead of creating anything, because consuming feels safe, but it doesn't get anything done. It only keeps you comfortable. And I think this is one of the biggest reasons people stay stuck for years without realizing it, because they think they have an action problem when they actually have a discomfort problem. So look carefully at your life. There's probably something you keep avoiding right now. And the crazy part is, you already know what it is. An assignment, a skill, that phone call, or even that project. That thing you keep saying you'll eventually do. So just ask yourself, what discomfort am I trying to avoid? That question exposes everything. Because maybe scrolling protects you from thinking. Staying busy protects you from being alone with your thoughts. Perfectionism protects you from criticism. And overplanning protects you from failing publicly. And once you see that, you start fighting yourself blindly. Now, this doesn't magically change your life, but it gives you clarity. And clarity is powerful. Because now, when you catch yourself procrastinating, you can pause and say, wait, what exactly am I escaping from right now? And most of the time, it's not the task itself. It's a feeling attached to the task. And always remember this: every meaningful thing in life starts with discomfort. Not everyone is confident at the beginning. Not everyone feels fully ready. And even the people who seem fearless usually just got used to acting while being uncomfortable. So that's it. Maybe the goal shouldn't be to eliminate discomfort, but to work with it. Because the life you want is hiding behind the things you keep avoiding.
Subscribe to my channel.